Binance Futures allows you to speculate on cryptocurrency price movements. Setting up a Binance Futures account and understanding the trading screen. Selecting futures contracts, margin modes, and adjusting leverage on the platform. Understanding leverage and margin in futures trading is crucial for risk management. Implementing risk management strategies like stop loss and take profit orders is vital. Calculating unrealized P&L and ROE % helps track position performance and make informed decisions. Explore additional features like grid trading and stay informed about market trends. Practice, education, and continuous learning are essential for improving trading skills. Managing emotions and maintaining discipline are key to successful Binance Futures trading. Binance Futures offers advanced trading tools and strategies for experienced traders. Starting with a demo account is recommended before trading with real funds. By following this guide, you'll navigate Binance Futures and make informed trading decisions. Visit the link below to start trading on the Binance Futures platform.